Good morning and welcome to my presentation on the future of drones in agriculture. My name is Anthony Ndegwa, and as a computer programming major, I'm excited to share with you the latest development in drone technology and how they are revolutionizing the agricultural industry. In this presentation, we'll cover the basics of what drones are, the history and growth of drones in agriculture, how they are currently being used in farming, the challenges and opportunities they present, and what the future holds. So let's get started. Did you know that by the year 2050, the world's population is expected to reach 9.7 billion? This will put tremendous pressure on the agricultural industry to produce more food than ever before, using fewer resources and with greater efficiency. That's where drones come in. Drones have the potential to transform the way we farm, from crop monitoring to irrigation management and beyond. So, what are drones? Drones are an incredible technological advancement in the field of unmanned aircrafts. Drones, formerly known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are essentially unmanned robots that are piloted by the human operator using software-controlled flight plans in their embedded systems. They work in conjunction with onboard sensors and global systems such as GPS. As many of you already know, drones were first used by the military in 1995 for unmanned reconnaissance missions. In recent years, drones have become increasingly popular and have been even seen in movies such as Blade Runner 2049 and The Angel Has Fallen. With the rise of civilian applications, drones are now used for a wide range of purposes, including search and rescue, surveillance, traffic monitoring, weather monitoring, firefighting, and even agriculture. A drone's features vary based on its intended use. Some examples of features include various types of cameras that are high performance with zoom and tilt capabilities. These features also include artificial intelligence that enables the drone to follow objects. Additionally, there are features like augmented reality that can superimpose virtual objects on the drone's camera feed, as well as other capabilities like media storage formats, maximum flight times, maximum speed times including ascent and descent, hover accuracy, obstacle sensory range, altitude hold, live video feed, and lastly, flight logs. Understanding these components and features is essential for those interested in using drones for various applications. Whether it's for agriculture, search and rescue, or aerial photography, drones have the potential to revolutionize many industries. How is the farming industry using drones? With a rapid growth due to companies innovating, new tools have been developed to transform agriculture in many ways. Multispectral and hyperspectral sensors are being used to improve crop health analysis and disease detection. Autonomous drones are being developed for more efficient and cost-effective crop monitoring. Drones are being used for precision spraying and application of fertilizer and pesticides, which reduce waste and improve crop yields. Swarm technology is being adopted for coordinated and efficient crop monitoring and analysis. Precision irrigation management is being achieved using drones, which reduce water usage and improve crop yields. Integration of weather sensors allows for more accurate and timely weather monitoring and forecasting. Hybrid drones with longer flight times and increased payload capacity are being developed. Drones are also being used for livestock monitoring and management, including tracking and health analysis. Swappable payloads are being developed for more flexible and customizable drone applications. Finally, drone as a service (DaaS) models are becoming more popular, allowing farmers to outsource drone operations to specialized service providers. All of these advancements are helping farmers optimize their field management, increase efficiency, reduce costs, and ultimately improve crop yields. So what does this growth look like? As of 2022, the global agriculture market size stood at $1.5 billion dollars and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 34.9% by 2032, reaching $29.9 billion. dollars. Leading this charge is North America, being the largest market for agricultural drones. This is due to rapid increase in innovation done by its major players, such as DJI, Trimble Inc., and Yamaha Motors, and many other emerging startups all entering the market and fighting for a piece of the pie of this emerging market with unique innovations and applications for agriculture. The advantage drones can have in today's agricultural industry have an increased important role in helping farmers, ranchers, and vineyard owners optimize their operation. With drones, farmers can save time by quickly spotting potential issues from a bird's eye view. Drones can also troubleshoot problems by monitoring crucial areas such as irrigation systems for potential leaks or contamination. In addition, drones provide a better data and cost savings from better image, allowing farmers to make more informed decisions. Furthermore, drones can improve health and safety by mapping dangerous areas and assessing damages after a storm. Lastly, agricultural drones can help reduce the environmental impact of farming by applying spot treatments of pesticides and fertilizers instead of spraying entire fields, reducing agricultural runoff and chemical drifts. By using drones, agribusinesses can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve sustainability. While the drones have brought significant benefits to agriculture, there are also several challenges that hamper their growth in the market. These include the high cost of drone technology and maintenance, the limited awareness and education about their potential applications, the concern over data privacy and security, as well as reliability and durability issues with drone hardware and software. All of these concerns limited adaptation by small-scale farmers. Additionally, there is a shortage of skilled personnel to operate and maintain drones and concerns about potential negative impacts on the environment, such as noise pollution and wildlife disturbance. Limited limitations in drone flight times and payload capacity, as well as adverse weather conditions, also restrict their effectiveness. Furthermore, limited compatibility between different drone hardware and software systems can hinder data sharing and integration. In conclusion, agricultural drones have immense potential to revolutionize the way we manage and monitor crops and livestock, leading to improved efficiency, cost effectiveness, and sustainability in agriculture. However, there are still several challenges to overcome in the adoption and implementation of agricultural drones. The challenges include the following: the high cost, limited awareness, data privacy concerns, hardware and software reliability, skilled personnel availability, environmental impact, flight time and payload limitations, adverse weather conditions, and compatibility issues. All of these concerns pose significant obstacles to the growth of the agricultural drone market. Addressing these challenges and leveraging the latest technology advancements will be crucial to realize the full potential of agricultural drones and unlock the benefits they can bring to the farming industry. This ends my presentation on the use of drones in agricultural farming. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation and hope you enjoy the rest of your day.